Hey, my name is Sydney, and I'm here today to show you a tool that I use to build my collection site for my library and information science class. The project involved getting together some resources for an online curation, and I got to choose my topic as long as it was something that would be helpful in a PD situation for teachers. So I decided to choose bullet journaling. You can see on my website here I have my title on my home screen. Um, Included some information here down at the bottom. The program I decided to use for this project is Google Sites. I didn't use the old Google Sites. I went with the new ones. Wanted to try something a little different. Overall, I will say that I was pretty impressed with Google Sites. The new version is really easy to use. I think probably the most exciting thing that I discovered while playing around with Google Sites and putting in all of my curation information is how simple everything is laid out. If you look over here on the right side of the screen, it really is very simple to add in, for example, a text box or a new image or to embed something or to upload something new. I enjoyed how simple that was, and I really think that this is something that I could pull back later and also use with children in the elementary setting when they have projects that involve creating some kind of a digital internet front. For example, like a PBL project or something like that, where they may be getting a little deeper into technology. Um, so for this particular video, using my project as an example, I'm going to show you how simple it is to actually add in a picture on this website. When I was looking at some other website options, I noticed that it could be difficult to upload images, but I really like this because it's already connected to my Google account, so everything in there is already prepared to go. So I'm going to click down to this tab here, My Example, because I know I need to add some pictures here still. I'm going to scroll down here to this part about the Traveler's Notebook cover, and I want to put a picture between these two text boxes. But the first thing I need to do for this part is click up here and open a new Google tab. I want to go to my drive, and I'm going to need to put a picture in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my website picture folder. You don't have to make a folder. I only did that to make it a little bit easier on myself. Click the new button in the corner and do a file upload. I'm going to choose an image from my desktop, and I'm already prepared. I have my images already there ready to go. And there's the picture of my cover, so I'm going to open that. Let it upload down here in the corner. It just takes a few seconds. While that's going, I'm going to flip back over to my website. Click on the Images box, go to the Google Drive tab. That's just where I put that photo in the picture album. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and select that, and I'm going to let it do its thing and try to upload it. Let's scoot this over just a little bit. There we go. So we're going to select that picture. It's going to pop it right there, but I want it to be in the center, so what I'm going to do is drag it over into the middle, just like that. And adding a photo into your site is that simple.